In the world of interiors, design gets the spotlight, but execution carries the weight. Because a great plan means nothing without perfect delivery. Over the years, AK Interiors has mastered the science behind reliable execution. We call it the AK method. 5 principles that turns every project from a plan into a promise kept. First principle, clarity. Most projects fail before they even start. Not because of poor execution, but because of poor definition. Unclear scopes, shifting expectations, and missed details lead to costly reworks. At AK Interiors, clarity is our first line of defense. Define scope. Every task, material, and measurement documented before execution begins. Align stakeholders. Clients, designers, and engineers align through joint kickoff reviews. Transparent timelines. Realistic schedules created with clear dependencies and milestones. We believe clarity builds confidence, and confidence sets the stage for flawless execution. Principle 2, coordination. When multiple trades run parallel, coordination becomes the heartbeat of the project. One delays or miscommunication can derail weeks of progress. That's why at AK, we treat coordination like choreography, precise, planned, and seamless. Integrated project management system connecting teams across all stages, delay syncs, and progress tracking to preempt bottlenecks before they occur. Central command and communication line ensuring no instruction gets lost between design, factory, and site. Because when everyone moves together, deadlines don't just get met, they get mastered. Third principle, control. In large-scale projects, control is not about authority, it's about visibility. Losing track of one activity, one supplier, or one approval can create a domino effect. AK's approach to control keeps every variable in check. Weekly quality audits across workmanship, material, and finish standards. Digital progress dashboards that track stage-wise completion in real time. 3-tier supervision, site engineers, quality controllers, and project heads aligned on every milestone. Control is how we protect precision, ensuring what's planned is exactly what's built. Principle 4, consistency. Consistency separates professional from participant. In multi-location rollout, maintaining the same finish, fit, and standard across cities is one of the toughest challenges in execution. AK achieves consistency by building everything around one core. Our in-house manufacturing facility, centralized production, all modular elements fabricated under one roof for uniform quality. Material standardization, sourcing and specification unified across every site. Parallel production, multi-project capacity, enabling simultaneous rollouts without compromising quality. Our factory is where consistency begins, and it's why clients trust us to deliver identical results project after project. Principle number 5, commitment. The final principle, commitment, is where everything comes together. Because in the end, reliability is not about promises, it's about performance. Time-bound delivery, clear schedule honored through proactive planning, defect liability support. We take responsibility even after handover. Client-first ethic, transparent updates, open communication, and complete ownership till closure. Commitment is what turns contractor into a partner and a project into a long-term relationship. The 5 principles form the foundation of everything we build. From banks to corporates, from regional offices to nationwide rollouts, every project we deliver stands as proof of this method in motion. What you can expect from AK Interiors? When you partner with AK Interiors, you get more than a contractor. You get a project execution partner with a proven pan-India capabilities and end-to-end control. Multi-branch rollout expertise, seamless coordination across locations, in-house manufacturing and technical teams, precision and speed under one roof, project management systems, data-driven tracking for transparency, pan-India delivery network from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, quality, safety and timeline, non-negotiable on every project. These are not claims, they are capabilities built over years of disciplined execution. At AK Interiors, reliability is not a result, it's a repeatable process. A process built on clarity, coordination, control, consistency and commitment. The AK method, where reliability is engineered and trust is built to last.